So the second question I get asked most is what pump best suits my application? Is it a direct drive or is it a hydraulic intensifier? Well, the answer to that's pretty simple. If you're only cutting with one nozzle on an XY table, then the best pump for you is a direct drive. If you want to run multiple nozzles, all switching separately, cutting different things, then the best pump for you is a hydraulic intensifier. Okay, so why is a direct drive better suited to a single nozzle application? Let me show you. On a direct drive system, you have an electric motor running the drive belt, which runs the crankcase, which pushes the water out to the nozzle. It's incredibly simple. On a hydraulic intensifier, a lot of that energy coming from the electric motor going through the hydraulic pump is lost into the hydraulic fluid and is generated through heat. So hopefully that's answered some of your questions regarding waterjet cutting. I've been in the industry now for 25 years. Not much I haven't seen in terms of what a waterjet can do or what you could possibly achieve with your waterjet. So if you've got any questions, you want to know how it can help you, you want to have a chat around what it is that you do and see if a waterjet can fit into your application, give me a call. My name's Matt Weaver, I work for Headland Machinery.